Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the third video in this series of TypeScript beginner tutorials. In this video we're going to be looking at control structures and more particularly looking at an if statement. So we're going to be building on some of the concepts we learned in the previous videos and using those to implement an if statement. So what is an if statement? An if statement is a control structure that allows us to make decisions based on certain conditions. So to get started with the if statement, we need a condition. So we're going to create a condition using a variable. So we're going to get started like we did in the previous video with the keyword let my age. We're going to let TypeScript know that it's going to be of type number, and we're going to assign the value of 24 to that variable. We're then going to dive into the if loop. So we're going to use the keyword if, a set of opening parentheses. We're then going to give it a condition. So we're going to say if my age is greater than 18, then we're going to open and close a set of braces. We can console log you are older than 18. With a semicolon at the end of that line. And now when we click run, we can see that the console returns you are older than 18. Now if loops don't just stop there, we can add other conditions. So we can say else if, give another condition. So we can say else if my age is less than 18. Open and close a set of braces, and we can say console.log you are younger than 18. So let's clear the log, and if we change our age to 17 and run this again, we'll see that this part of the code is being skipped because it doesn't meet the condition, and this part here is being run. But what happens if we need to catch conditions where it doesn't fall within these conditions? For example, if a user is 18, so if we type in 18, clear the logs, run that again, we'll see that nothing comes out in the log. And that's because we're going through the if loop and we're checking if the user is 18, is older than 18. And if they are, we tell them that they're older than 18. We're checking if they're younger than 18. We're not actually checking anything else. So what we can do is we can use the else keyword followed by a set of braces, and we can say that, you are 18 years old. Now if we run that, we'll see that we're now catching this case here, where the age is 18. And we can then change these, clear the logs, run that again, and see that we're getting every case that we're asking for, returning what we think we should be getting. And that's it. There's your first if statement in TypeScript. It's really that simple. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving this video a like, and sharing it with your friends. I'll see you in the next video.